See waiting room. Admit all. Admit. Fine. There is some technical issue. Okay. So can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here what we'll do, we'll design first header section and we'll go to footer. Okay. So for that, what I should do, appearance and customize, I'll go from here. First I'll try to see if I'm okay with the color. Why? Because see, your website color will be like based upon your logo color only. Whatever logo color you have, that only will represent as a website color. Maximum, if you go for any website, you can analyze this thing. If you go to Flipkart, Amazon, or any other website, this that logo color will represent the website color. For example, I'll go to Flipkart. I'll go to Flipkart now. So here when I'm going into Flipkart, what is the Flipkart logo color?
Yellow and blue.
Yellow, blue.
Yellow and blue. Now we will check whether this yellow and blue if they are using in the website or not. So cancel. Yeah. So you can see this blue strip available. Blue strip is available, and on this they are using yellow plus. When I scroll down, I can see blue button here. Blue button here. Now this is a combination. This is a combination. Now with this combination only, website will look perfect. So nothing but color combination. That means whatever logo color you have, that colors only will be maximum using in the website. If you go for any website, I went for Facebook. Now if I go with Amazon also, the same thing. If I go with Amazon also, we can see the combination colors. Amazon logo, black and orange. So if I go into this website, no, that is the logo in the top. So I can see some orange color. They want to show orange color. Here you can see search option is in orange. Sign in option is in orange. You can see cart, it is showing 0 in an orange. So maximum they'll try to use the logo colors only. Okay, so the logo will plays the major role. So whenever your personal website or your client's website, whenever you're designing, so make sure that your logo is available. So that, or you have to ask the client what is the color combination of the logo, or send a logo. You have to ask in this way so that you can design the site in the same color. So here I have a default logo which is available from the theme, but I don't want that logo. I'll design my logo. Okay, so how to do? I'll go to header part. Why? I want to change the header section of the website. So where is the menu and where is the logo in the header section? So here, see what I said in the first class, website is the identity I said. Okay, and in this website your logo will be the main part. See, for example, think that you're going on a road, all of a sudden you have seen a F symbol in blue color. Then what you will get in the mind? Anyone from the group? F symbol is there in the blue color. What do you feel?
सर क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ में आया वो.
See, when you are going on a road or if you are watching a TV or anywhere, you got an image. On that image, you have a F, English letter F, that is in blue color. Then what do you recognize with by seeing that? What you
It will be a Facebook related something.
Obviously. Now they are not telling the complete name. They are showing only one letter. Now that is their identification. Okay. Now if I tell any business name, automatically you will have that logo in your mind. For example, if I tell Swiggy, Now, how many of you got the logo in your mind? Can you recognize
Swiggy
the logo?
symbols. Swiggy's orange symbol. Swiggy.
Yeah. If I go with Zomato,
Red symbol Z.
now if I go with Redbus, you can see the logo. Ola, Uber.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, how you can recognize this? Now they did branding and their logo is their brand. By seeing that logo, only you'll be recognized. So logo will plays a major role. So that's why here they are given a property called site identity. That is the identity of your website and that is the identity of your business. So I don't want this logo here. This is a normal logo and this is a retina logo. Retina logo is nothing but which will have the better visualness of your eye. So I'm selecting a logo here. So if you already uploaded the logo, you can select from here or you can upload from the your desktop or a laptop, whichever you are using. So I'm selecting a file. And what should be the size of the logo? Can anyone from the group?
Don't know, sir.
So generally, you can take 150 by 150, but sometimes what will happen? It will ask like if you take 150 by 150, it will be in a square format. Sometimes what will happen? That square will fill the complete space of your menu. That will look like a broader menu. So take like a rectangle shape that will be better. A rectangle shape which will have a less space in the header section and it will have a nice look. Okay, so what I will do, I'll select a logo. Okay, go here, I'll go with work projects. I'll select my website logo. That will be better. Our institute logo will select. Where we have, I don't know. Okay, so this I am selecting. So I selected this logo here. Now this logo is having a big size. This is a bigger size logo. Okay, now I can select, I can crop this logo also. So if you like, if you have designed the bigger logo and you want to crop it, you can crop it. So here you can see 180 by 60 they are asking. Okay, now I selected this logo. I can crop this logo also, whichever, like whatever amount I want, I can crop it. You can upload a PNG logo also. You can upload JPG logo. You can upload GIF format also. Any format you can upload, but my suggestion is go with PNG. Okay, go with PNG. I think this image is not in PNG. This is in JPG format. See what will happen when you take a JPG format. I'll show. Yes, I think it is PNG only. Okay. See, you can see now the logo is very big, very big. Now what I will do here, we have something called logo width, the left hand side. Now I'll decrease this. I'll decrease this. When I'm decreasing this, you can analyze. Now see, this is for Astra themes. If you are going with the normal thing, these options will not be available. So better to take with Astra themes only. This will better, this will be better, and this will have more customization things. So see, now this is a PNG format logo. That means in the background we don't have anything. Just whatever logo is there, that is available. If you are taking JPG format, what will happen? You will have a white color background or the background which you give. Okay, that you will have, that will have some disturbance. See why? Because see, if I have a background in white color, then it will look like a patch. It will look like a patch. So I don't want to look like a patch. I have taken the PNG format. So when I scroll down, see here in the top we have lots of windows open. So I can see here Facebook, some icon it is showing. For Amazon also it is showing some icon. Okay, and if you want to upload, see for this website Deals Money also it is showing some icon. So if you want to upload some icon, then scroll down here, scroll down to bottom, scroll down to bottom. Here I have something called site icon. We have something called site icon. Now this site icon will have size. For logo we have 180 by 16 pixels. Okay, everything whenever we talk about images, we'll talk in pixels only. Pixels are nothing but the clarity of the image. Pixel, each dot is a pixel. Okay, 180 by 360. I mean 180 by 60 will be the logo, and if you go for the site icon, it will be 512 by 512. That means it will be a square, and it will be placed on the top of the browser here. The small icon which you are seeing here, there it will be placed. Now what I will do, I'll select a site icon here. Now I'm not designing anything, I'm just managing the things. Okay, I'm uploading something. See, if you are going with the HTML, like design HTML, then you have to write manually this everything. So Lasker, do you have an idea of this? I think I think 2 members are available here with HTML.
Yes, sir, but I don't know how to upload or how to this site icon section. I can
Oh,
upload icon on the in the site in the web page, but site icon I don't know.
okay. So that's why I see maximum websites, what happening, they are converting their websites into WordPress. Why? Because this is easy to manage and it will take less time. Everything will be good when you go with this kind of sites. So I've taken logo and I've taken site icon. See, I can see here it is showing. Now here it will be available. Just I'll publish this. Whenever you are doing any changes, try to publish. Then only it will be available in the front end. If not, it will not be available. Okay. Now this is the website. Now I'll refresh this. Whenever you do any changes, make sure that that is available in the front end. That means you have to go immediately. You have to check. See here, logo is available. Here, site icon is available. Is it clear up to here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Next thing, what we'll do, we have completed logo. Now we'll go with the menu part. We'll go with the menu part. Here, I did not created any pages, nothing. Now these are directly from the theme. Okay, home, biography. Now according to the theme, we got it. Concerns, albums, gallery, contact. Now for me, I want home, about us, services, blog, contact. That's it. That means I'll remove these 4 options from my menu. Okay, first we'll remove these 4 options. How to remove? We'll see. I'll go to this dashboard again. So here in the appearance, I have menus. I'll go to that menus. See, here I can see something. These all things which I have seen in this section, in the menu part. So what I will do, I'll remove this. I don't want this. Okay, I don't want this also. I'll remove this. I don't want albums. I'll remove this. If you are okay with this property, then you can keep. If not, you can remove. And whenever you want to like create, you can also create. Okay. So what I'm doing, just 2 sections are there. I'm saving this menu. Okay. If menu is not available, then simply you have to go to appearance and menu. Here you have to click on create a new menu. We have an option here. You can see this option.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from here we can create a menu. A new menu also we can create. Already I have a menu, so I'm not creating anything. So when I refresh here, now we can see only home and contact is available. Why? We removed from the dashboard. So what I will do, now I'll create about us, services, blog. These 3 things I want. So what I should do, first I'll go to pages. Okay, I'll go to pages. Here I'll create a page called about us. So I'm taking on add new. Now I'll go with a page called about us. I'll create a page. Am I going fast or slow? Is it okay?
It is okay, sir.
Only Solaskar is going to talk. He has taken tiffin. Rest of them, they are in fasting. Okay, so I have given a name about us. I want to create a page, so I have named it as about us. So I'm publishing it in the right hand side in the top. So if you don't want to publish, you can save it to draft. If you want to show to in the front end or to the people, then you can publish it. Publish. So we created one page. So I want, what I said, I want services also. Now what I will do, I'll create one other page called service. Service. So first letter, I'll take capital. Service. Publish. Publish. Okay. Again, I'm going here. So how many pages we created? Now I have home, about, service, contact. Now I want blog. Now that blog I want to create from category. Okay. Why? Whenever I want to create a post, I can create and I can add to that blog. What I said, I want to make this site a dynamic site, a big site. Then you have to have a category. If you don't want, like, if you want only small site without updating anything, then category is not required. Okay, so I want a dynamic site, a big site. So I'm going with category. So here what I'm doing, see, we can create a category, but by default I have a category here that is uncategorized. I got with the theme. Now I can't delete this category which already is available. I can just edit it. So the name is uncategorized. So what I will do, I'll edit and I can give my own name, whatever name I want, or I can go with new thing also. Anything is the same, but this will also be available for the users. Okay, so see, when I create, I'll have an option to delete, but here I don't have an option to delete this category. So is it try to edit this only, that will be better. So here what I will do, I'll name this category as blog. Okay, slug is nothing but a URL. Slug is nothing but a URL. Okay, blog I'm giving just update. Now I created a category also. Now I created this. Now is it will be available in the front end. So this is a page here. Now I created about service and blog, but they are not available. For that I have to do some process, then only it will be available. So what I will do, I'll go to appearance and I'll go to menus. Why? We want to make some changes in the menu, so that's why we are going into menu again. So here, see, just now we created about us. Now I want this about us into the menu, so I selected. I want services also. So we created blog. Is it available here? This is not available here. So what I will do, first I'll add these two. Okay, these are from pages I added. So next thing, we created category. So there is a category in this section. Here we have category in the left hand side. You can see here category. In this category, we can see something called blog. Just now we did this. So I'm selecting this also. Why? I want to show this one into menu. Okay, so I'm adding this into the menu. I added this. Okay, now I'll save this menu. My menu got saved. When I go to the website, when I refresh, I can see this menu again. But see, I want in a sequence. Like after home, I want about us. After about us, I want service. After service, I want blog. After blog, I want contact. But here, everything is in non-format thing. So what I will do, I'll go here and I'll simply drag and drop the properties. Drag and drop the properties. For example, I want about us in the second place. Simply I'll drag it, and when I'm dropping, you can analyze some dotted lines are available in the background. You can analyze this. Can you
Yes.
see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When you see the dotted lines in the background, and it should have the same equal length. So here you have to drop. Okay. So after about us, I want services. So I'm taking this again. I'm dropping to equal to about us. After that, I'm taking this contact as bottom. Okay, I dropped it. So this I made an alignment and I'm saving this menu. Now menu got saved. When I go to this website, when I refresh, I can see the changes again in the menu. So these are the changes we did. How simple is it?
Yes, sir.
We didn't test any coding part. If you are doing this process in HTML, minimum it will take, if you are very good with HTML, it will take around 1 hour. For sure it will take 1 hour. Okay, you have to write the code, you have to make the process, you have to design something. By selecting the theme, you have to design the theme first. Everything it will take some time. If you are very very good, then it will take 1 hour. If you are not that much good, it will take 1 week also. So fine, menu we created and logo we added. And now what I want, under these services I want a drop down. Okay, we'll analyze the drop down also, how to do drop down. Why? Because when we go to any website, when we hover on something, like for example any properties we have, if I go here, if I select this, I have properties here. Now this is a drop down. Okay, this kind of design we call it as a drop down. That means more number of properties we can show in the drop down. Now I want the same drop down for the menu. So what I can do for that, first I have to create a page. So whichever sections you want to show in the drop down, that sections you have to create first. Okay, now what I will do in the services, I want to show 2 services. So I'll go here, I'll create a page again. Service 1. I'm creating a page called service 1 and I'm publishing it, and I'll go back to WordPress again. Here I'll create some other page. This page I'll name it as service. Okay, 2 things I created. Now I want these 2 things under services. Okay, so for that what I should do, again I'll go to appearance and menu. From there I'll do some changes. Appearance and menus. So I'm here. First thing, whichever thing I created, first I have to take that into menu. So I selected service 1 and service 2, and I'm adding into that this menu bar. Okay, so here I got service 1 and service 2. I'm saving this. But when I went to this website, I can see this service 1 and service 2 in this part, but I want this service 1 and service 2 under the service. Then what I should do, I should go to the menu here, roll down, whichever you want to show under services, take that one. And when I'm going here, you can see a box here, dotted box in the background, which is showing after services. So drop it down there. Then it will be a sub menu. See, if you are dropping here, then it will be the main menu. If you are dropping to the right hand side, then it will become the sub menu. Okay, so the same thing I'll do with this service 2 also. Equally I'll drop to service 1. Okay, so now I added 2 sub menus under service. So when I go to this website, when I refresh, I can see I drop down here. Under this I can see 2 sections available. Is it good now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here up to here?
Yes, sir.
No doubts. So I'll stop here. I don't want to make confused.
Yes, sir.
So we have what we did today. We analyzed dashboard. Okay, what all options are available in the dashboard, we have analyzed. Yes.
जो सर्विस अभी ऐड किए उसको भी कलर थीम्स दे सकते हैं ना, लाइक बटन जैसे.
Which one? I didn't get you.
सर्विस में जो ऑप्शन डाले अभी, सर्विस 1 सर्विस 2, अभी वो हाइट है तो उसको थीम कलर भी दे सकते हैं ना.
इसको
सर्विस में जाके जो ऑप्शन ओपन होते हैं सर्विस 1 एंड 2, तो वो बैकग्राउंड व्हाइट कलर में, तो उसको कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं ना.
कर सकते नो इश्यू, कर सकते. How to do? See here, if I go to this menus, if I go to this customize, from here I'll have options. I'll have options. For example, here, mm, in the global, if you go, we have something called colors. Okay. See, my logo color is blue and black. So
Yes.
this theme color is red and black. So what I will do, I'll go with colors, base colors. See, this is a non-paid theme, so I can see limited colors. If you are a paid theme, then you can see maximum responsible colors. So what I want a blue color. So you can go with this. Now theme will be designed in this way. And see, is giving link over color. This is only for links. These are only for links. These are for heading colors, and one background color is there, black. So I think they are not giving this. So if they are not giving that option, what to do? Then you have to go to what I said. We have something called in appearance. Theme editor is there. There you can see some coding part. I said there you will have a CSS file, cascading style sheets. In the starting session, we have seen what is cascading style sheets. Just a moment. So if we don't have option from here, then you have to go to the CSS files. Okay, in that CSS file you can manage colors. In the starting session we have learned what is CSS file. CSS is related to style and colors. Okay, so there you have to manage. So for this theme also, when I go to the services, now by default it is white. Now if any option is there from here, I can change. See here, link color is white, they are telling. When I'm hovering also, link color is white, but I want link color in blue color. I can change this color. As of now it is in white color. I'll change this in blue color. When I publish, by default you can see the home link color is got changed. No, so we'll see in the main website. Sometimes it will not show here. No, it is not getting changed. Somewhere some links got changed. You have to check. Or that may be this kind of link. For example, if you're giving for this text, that may be the link. But actually that should also get changed. Background color, text color white. Why? Because background is black, then we can't give black again. Link hover color. That means whenever you hover, it should give some other color. Hovering is nothing but when you are placing cursor on it. When you are placing cursor on it, it should give some other color. So here when I hover, it is not taking any property. So by default, theme something or working in the theme, and then see, now there is a default. Now you have to go to some other theme again. I have changed this to blue color. We'll check whether it has changed. No, still no link. This buttons got changed. This color got changed, but this banner, this red color didn't get changed. Okay, so this may be default from this theme. So when you go with the paid theme, then you can change this. But maximum themes, they'll be more like flexible. You can change the colors. This theme may be some problem or some issue.
Okay.
Fine. So what we did today, we just analyzed the dashboard. We went for header part where we have uploaded the logo, and we did the menu part. We created pages, we created post, and we made it a menu. Up to here, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll go with footer. We'll do with footer. If time is sufficient, we'll go with some other section. Okay.
Okay, sir. सर
Okay.
लिंक मेल करने करेंगे ये आज की.
Actually, that some other team will be working on it. I am not sure why, because today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Everybody is in the holiday mood. We don't know. If I'll suggest them to send. If you're not getting today, tomorrow you'll get for sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So how is the session? If you have any doubts, you can ask. It may be Minal Patil, Sarita, and Sulaskar and Gayatri. Only how many members we have in this session? Only 4. Okay. No doubts?
Also practice करने के बाद doubts आए तो
Okay. So your brother is he's a doctor. You want to create a website for him.
yes sir.
Okay. So got an idea how to do?
अभी actually
Yeah, okay.
uh,
This is the second workshop. When we going to the 5th workshop, that is the last workshop for us.
okay sir.
So see, day to day, whatever you are learning, try to practice. Implement.
Yes, sir.
Try to implement. Then only you will be touching the subject. Then only you can do. If not, what will happen? It will arise. Simply evaporate. Okay.
Okay.
We'll meet tomorrow at 11 o'clock again.
Okay sir.
Yeah. See you guys. See you in the next session.